got some scattered rain showers pushing through at this hour, but tomorrow night we're likely going to see some scattered snow showers as colder air works its way into our region for the start of the work week. It's currently in the mid 40s. Yeah, not too bad right now. 46 degrees in Johnson City, dew point around 43. So obviously everything's a little wet with the scattered rain pushing across the area. We'll see more of that through the evening and early overnight. But notice what happens here kind of after midnight. Here comes the colder air, and with that comes a changeover from rain to some scattered snow across the area, especially as we go into early Monday and then later on into Monday. So Monday at 6 a.m., pretty good chance across parts of southeast Kentucky, some of the higher terrain of southwest Virginia and the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains that will be seeing some scattered snow showers. Then later on into the morning and early afternoon, temperatures are going to rise just enough, I think, to kind of get a bit more of a wintry mix into the valleys. But look at the persistent snow showers here across parts of the Kentucky-Virginia line and in the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains. That'll be where we have a pretty good chance of picking up some hefty snowfall accumulations over the next 24 to 36 hours. Even into Monday at 11 o'clock, it's still snowing across those areas, and that continues even into the first part of Tuesday before tapering off later on Tuesday morning and into Tuesday afternoon. So what do we get out of all this, and where do we stand in terms of amounts? Here's what I'm thinking right now. Remember, this is a very elevation-dependent storm, and it's going to be pretty dependent on if you're on a mountain slope, if you're on a northwest-facing slope, things like that. So for the Tri-Cities, generally anywhere between nothing to 2 inches. I know that's a very wide range, but with the scattered nature of some of those snow showers and the fact some of it's going to come during the day tomorrow with temperatures pretty much near freezing, I'm not expecting significant impacts for the Tri-Cities, but a couple slick roads are possible. Into parts of Greene County, Washington County, we're getting up into the 1 to 3 category. And of course, as you go up in elevation, the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains, hefty snowfall amounts of 4 to 6. On the highest mountain peaks, we're talking about 6 to 12 inches of snow towards the Carver's Gap and Viking Mountain area. We'll take you into southwest Virginia here, and you notice once again along the Clinch Mountain Range, higher amounts, 1 to 2 across parts of Washington County into Smith County. There could be a localized amount of a little more there, but I think the higher amounts in southwest Virginia will be through Dickinson and Buchanan counties, parts of the Kentucky area of our viewing region, and also, of course, along Pine Mountain, Black Mountain, and into the Big Stone Gap, High Knob, Wise area. So road conditions here, Monday morning, a couple slick spots, especially southwest Virginia. They'll kind of be scattered around, and some areas are still dealing with impacts from the snow yesterday. So you may have to encounter some of that in addition to some black ice as temperatures drop in the morning. Monday afternoon with the warmer air around relatively, I think most spots should be okay, but as you go up in elevation, of course, more issues. Monday night into Tuesday, though, with the temperatures dropping, I do expect a lot of impacts across the area. So here's low number 1. Here's the upper level low that's kind of spinning through our area and helping to spark off all of this. Notice the temperatures, though, Tuesday, 30s. Yeah, pretty much hovering near freezing, but getting up into the upper 40s by Thursday, and then up to near 50 degrees on Friday, actually above normal, a little bit of a recovery. Now we'll kind of take you from here into our next weather maker, and that's another chance for some rain to push in as we head into next weekend. Depending on the setup here, we could see rain changing to snow as we head into either Saturday or Sunday. It's going to depend on kind of when the cold air comes in and then how much moisture is left as that happens. So right now, we'll kind of monitor things for next week, but weather alert days for Monday and into Tuesday of this upcoming 7-day period. Look at the cold temperatures there on Wednesday, nicer weather for Wednesday and Thursday after chilly starts in the morning, and then watching Saturday into Sunday of next week to kind of see how that multifaceted system evolves as it gets closer to us. Could see some rain, could see some snow, depending on the eventual track. You can always get the latest forecast on our website, and don't forget you can get the latest radar on our mobile app as you're out and about tomorrow.
Storm Track 5 weather cameras sponsored by your Tri-Cities Ashley Home Store.